Before you spend $10,000, $20,000, or more fixing up your Long Island home, there is a question you need to answer first. Will that repair actually return its full cost at closing? Most Long Island sellers assume that fixing things up means a higher sale price. The data says that is only true for a small category of repairs. Let me walk you through what is actually worth spending money on, what to skip, and when selling as is nets you more than fixing and listing. There are a few repair categories that consistently return close to their full cost. Fresh neutral paint throughout the home returns 100 to 107% of its cost on average. Deep cleaning and decluttering comes in near 100%. Landscaping and basic curb appeal is also strong. Minor kitchen updates like new hardware and faucets can return 80 to 100%. These work because they are low cost and high visibility. Buyers see them immediately. Now here is where most sellers overspend. A full kitchen remodel returns 60 to 80% of its cost. A bathroom addition returns 50 to 60%. A new HVAC system returns 50 to 70%. A new roof, unless it is actively failing, returns 60 to 70%. What that means in practice is that you spend $20,000 and recover $12,000 to $14,000 at closing. You just lost money trying to help your sale. Before any repair, run this simple test. What does it cost? How much will it increase my sale price? Does the increase exceed the cost? If the answer to that last question is no, skip it. Most structural and mechanical repairs fail this test. And here is the cost most sellers forget entirely: carrying costs. On Long Island, mortgage, taxes, utilities, and insurance run $3,000 to $4,000 per month. A 6-week repair project adds another $4,500 to $6,000 to your cost column before you count a single nail or piece of lumber. Add that to your repair bill before you calculate ROI. Most projects look much worse when you do. So when does selling as is actually make more sense? When your home needs more than $15,000 in work. When you cannot float the repair costs up front. When you need to close in under 30 days. Or when you are navigating a divorce, a foreclosure, or an estate situation where time is not on your side. There is also a difference in how retail buyers and cash buyers see your home. A retail buyer shopping with a mortgage sees what needs fixing and mentally subtracts a fear premium. A cash investor sees the after-repair value and makes a straightforward business calculation. They price the potential, not the current condition. That is why you can sell as is and still get a fair offer. Before you commit to any repair project, run the 3-question test. Will a retail buyer pay more than the repair cost for this? Can I afford to wait 4 to 8 weeks for it to get done? Is the market strong enough to absorb a higher asking price? If any of those answers is no, skip the repair and price accordingly, or call a cash buyer and skip the math entirely. Call us at 5165-486-558 or visit thepropertyfather.com. We will give you a cash offer on your Long Island home as is within 24 hours. Then you can compare that number against the repair and list route and make the decision with actual numbers in front of you.